guess I'm gonna die too young, too young, too young. Chase a psychedelic rat into a black hole, and he crawled out real fat. He started bleeding shades of purple on the pavement, exclaiming the awakening was so close he could taste it. To ease my mind I put on 1992 cartoons, and then a wrinkled man, he popped up with some breaking news. He started screaming as he pointed at the sky. Oh my, I think we're all about to die. Well, I guess I'm gonna die too young. And saw something that I had never seen. All of my neighbors were butt naked and were turning green. They started reading out the book of Revelations, proclaiming that some Superman is gonna come and save them. To ease my mind I started smoking herb and drinking booze, and then a wrinkled man, he popped back on the breaking news. He started laughing as he hung his head inside. Oh my, I think we're all about to die. Well, I guess I'm gonna die too young. Too young. I guess I'm gonna die too young. Too young. They keep on telling me, they keep on telling me. I guess I'm gonna die too young. Too young. Too young.
He could not. Thank you, Lord, for bearing the wrath of God the Father, for we are too weak to do so. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for giving us an undeserving gift of free salvation.
So here's Zane.
Jesus, thank you for all.
Well, that side's a little taller.
In your name. Thank you for blessing the people around to get to hear your word.
And out there is
Yeah, let's go over here. We'll sit down. Cammy, go over here.
Oh, do we even get a recording at the top?
Yeah, I did.
Alright, good.
Alright, Squaw Mountain.
Impossible.
Difficulty?
5.
5 out of?
Oh, 5.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
No.
Never?
Nope.
What was your favorite part?
Watching Cammy get nervous about us going down.
What was your least favorite part?
Probably going up after the climb over the rock.
Oh, after that midway.
No, not the midway. The climb after.
Oh, okay.